In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom feeling crosshair in Fortnite on PS4. Now, Fortnite on console doesn't offer the same deep customization that you get on PC, but there are a few settings you can adjust to make the reticle look and feel a bit more personal. Start by opening Fortnite and heading into your main settings menu. And to do that, press the options button on your controller. Once you're inside the settings, scroll over to the game UI tab. It's the one with the small monitor icon. After that, scroll down until you find the reticle options section. Here you can turn your reticle on or off, change the opacity, and adjust things like damage numbers and hit indicators. These small tweaks can make aiming feel clearer, cleaner, and more comfortable depending on your playstyle. Just keep in mind that if you're looking for a fully custom crosshair with unique shapes, outlines, special colors, or animated effects, that's not possible on PS4 through the official settings. The only way to get something truly custom would be by using third-party tools. And that's something you should avoid because using external software or modded overlays can get your account banned. So the safest approach is to take advantage of the built-in UI adjustments Fortnite already gives you. Even though it's not full customization, you can still make your crosshair easier to see, less distracting, or better suited to the way you aim. It's a simple set of tweaks, but it can make your gameplay feel noticeably better without risking your account. And if your crosshair ever feels off or too faint during gameplay, you can always revisit these settings and adjust them again until they match the visual style that helps you stay accurate and comfortable during fights.